Can you see yourself in the 2022 Ford Bronco? With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This highly versatile Bronco delivers competitive off-road capability and daily driver comfort. Designed for the most adventurous among us, it offers an impressive array of trail-conquering features, yet offers up a smooth, satisfying ride for the work week commute. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, premium sound system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, dual zone AC, heated front seat. Spacious comfort and serious capability blend seamlessly in this stylish Bronco. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.